At FixFast, we know that your customers demand a Rainscreen that is cost-effective, compliant, durable and secure. Our Rainscreen support systems are the complete engineered solution for securely fixing your Rainscreen from substrate to skin. We use our sort of engineering-led approach. We've got 40 years experience in the fastener market. This allows us to put together a bespoke solution for your Rainscreen needs. Every Rainscreen support system is backed up by our comprehensive service. We're there to help you any part of the project. There are 3 elements to our complete Rainscreen support systems. First is the substrate fixings. These are anchors or fasteners used to create a secure fixing to any substrate, whether masonry, steel, timber or composite panel. We use Fisher masonry anchors and drill fast stainless steel fixings. Next comes the substructure. This is the structural aluminium framework and the frame fixings that support your Rainscreen. We will also provide the other essential components you need to complete your Rainscreen substructure, including insulation anchors, cavity fire barriers, vapor control layers and membranes. Finally, the facade fasteners. These are the fixings or adhesives you require to secure your chosen Rainscreen panel to the substructure. We have solutions for secret fixing, as well as face fixing options in any colour to blend in or stand out. We use best-in-class components selected after extensive research and testing. Every component is manufactured to ISO 9001 quality management standards. The services that we can offer our customers include wind load testing, substrate testing, and we can also do on-site application testing. We provide a calculation that encompasses the wind loads acting upon the building, and more importantly, how we're going to counteract that with the spacing of the substructure. After we've completed the calculations, we then look at the Rainscreen support system to ensure that we do not compromise the aesthetics of the building. This also makes the installation on site a lot easier and quicker. We understand it's really important for our customers to be able to get onto the next job as soon as possible. To help you with this, we will ensure that the products are at site when you want them to be there. We'll provide technical data sheets, BIM information, CAD data, and more importantly, we've got someone at the end of the phone. If you have any problems, then just give us a call. Our customers can contact us at any time throughout the project. Ideally, at the start of the project will allow us to help them the most. Give us a call or visit our website to find out more about our complete engineered Rainscreen support systems.